In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can download and install Telegram on your PC. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
To get started, come to your start over here, then come to the search bar, search for App Store, more like the Microsoft App Store. So quickly, just go ahead and search for it. So here's the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and tap on open. Now, once you tap on open, wait for it to finish uploading. Then, once it's finished uploading, just come to the search bar here. Now here you can search for anything. Go ahead and search for Telegram. Yes, Telegram desktop, this one over here. Now you can see, guys, this is the official Telegram application. If you want to install it, click on Get. Once you click on Get, the installation will start running. You can see over here, this thing will say preparing to download, and it's been queued. So you need to verify the dependencies and all other stuff. Then the installation will be processing. Now, once the installation is done, you'll be able to open it up. Basically, that's how to get, or that's how to download and install Telegram on Windows or PC. Thanks for watching.